Hey guys, it's Melissa with Chop It Like a Boss. I'm going to hop on here a couple times today, so I'm going to make this video really quick. I've already fuzzed my transfer and I've prepared all my pastes. We're going to do a real quick DIY Memorial Day, 4th of July transfer. And this is going to be a two-piece project. So I'm going to do this piece first, and then maybe later today I'll hop on and do a live. So this one is the bottom half of our Freedom transfer. And this one says Corn on the Cob, Watermelon Sparklers, Red, White, and Blue, and Freedom. Sorry, there's hair. Okay. So all I'm going to do is, real fast, I'm going to start here. That's a really good thing about our transfers is that you can cut them, you can place them how you want, you can rearrange them, you can take some from another transfer and add it to a project. The possibilities with our transfers are truly endless. The one thing you need to know when you're doing these, though, is that you want to work quickly so that your chalk doesn't dry all the way. You don't want it to dry into your transfer because it will clog the silk screen. Sorry, I can't multitask obviously today.
Jeez. That jumped real high.
Okay.
From 2 to 6 like that.
Oh yeah.
And Becca joined. And
then you want to just scrape it over to make sure that it's even. It's all even on the screen print so that it's not chunky where your chalk is once you take your transfer off. So I'm just going over it real fast just to make sure I've got everything, make sure that there's no lines through it, and that it's not overly caked on there. Okay. Oh, I want to do.
finish number.
I'm sorry, what?
All the numbers. Dude. But then they go back over later. Which is a good thing.
And I'm sorry, I don't think I told you. I'm using our bright white for this, and our candy apple red, and then our blue jay. Making sure that I've got, making sure that I've gotten all of the screen print area covered. Now I'm just scraping the excess over to the other letters. And I know normally when I go live, I do step by step so everybody can see how I'm doing things. And this one I didn't, so that, because I am going to do several lives today. And I don't want to waste everybody's time. So I will be sure to do step by steps on other lives today. So if you're interested, make sure that you hop on or come back and watch those later. I'm also planning to do a live video to show you that you don't have to use Chalk Couture surfaces. You can use other surfaces. You just have to prepare them, which is really easy to do. So I'm going to go on today, and I can't promise it's going to be today because I've got a lot of different projects we want to do. But I will get on later today or sometime later and show you how to prep your wood and surfaces so that you can do other surfaces. Okay, now I'm just gonna scrape all this. Now I'm going to switch over to our Blue Jay Blue. And you know what, this one's a little bit thick, so I guess I can show you how to, if it's too thick and you don't want it that way, just spray it. And then I use crafting sticks and I just stir it up and make it the consistency that I want it. I don't do too thin, but I don't like it thick either.
Jennifer Jones.
I have Christian here reading the comments, so if anybody has any questions, be sure to post them in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Okay. And then I'm going to do this, but I want to blend this one a little bit. So And real fast, I don't know if she's on or not, but I had someone ask me about cutting my scrapers. I did, and I wish I wouldn't have, so I've ordered new ones because they're real flimsy and they're kind of hard to work with.
Do you remember the name?
Of who asked me? No, I don't.
Yeah, I remember someone just joined.
Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the bright white real fast, and I'm going to add just a little bit of it in here. And then I'm going to take my finger and just kind of rub it in there. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. And this is just going to give me a different look, a little bit different effect. Okay. Now onto the red. I absolutely love this candy apple red. It is so bright and it's so pretty. It's quiet upstairs. It makes me nervous, makes me think that the kids are doing something they're not supposed to be doing.
Holly and Kenny liked this time. I hear PJ. He's probably excited.
I'm just pulling all the extra off. And then we will pull our transfer up and it will be done.
It will look so good.
I used seriously the littlest scraper for this project.
That wasn't smart.
True story. Okay, I'm giving up.
No, don't do that. But like, doesn't it like look bad if like there's a whole bunch on it?
No, it won't look bad. I just don't want lines going through.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go.
Oh, you got
Okay.
it.
Oh, thank you, Christian.
Over there.
Christian just pointed out that I forgot to scrape the extra off of this one. And this one.
You may be blind as a
I'm telling you, we just got done with e-learning, but my brain is fried. Like, I'm so looking forward to this weekend to do nothing, and I don't have to
Beautiful.
mess with the kids or schoolwork. It will be so nice. Okay, so, and I've got one spot that's messed up. Can you go find me a little Q-tip? But this is what the board looks like, and I've got one spot right there that's messed up, and you know, Christian, I can probably fix it with this.
All right.
I'm gonna try and fix it. I normally have Q-tips, but I'm not at my desk right now.
I'm gonna go Get a picture that's still alive.
Okay. And I really should be using a Q-tip for this, but okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait to get a Q-tip because I'm going from bad to worse over here. So, but anyway, this is our sign, and that completes our live. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely get back with you. Have a great day, guys.